Welcome to the 2-Minute Tech. In this episode, we will cover the installation of an electric heater kit in the Renaissance AC and heat pump platform. See a separate video for the installation of a single-point wiring kit if required. The electric heat kit is a self-contained module with a terminal block, circuit breakers, and electric heating elements. Ensure the correct model heater kit has been provided for the installation. Verify the size, voltage, and wattage. Remove the control panel and compressor access covers. Remove the blower and heater access panels from the unit. Locate the electrical knockout on the bulkhead wall. The location is identified by a label. Remove the label and remove the circular insulation patch from the opposite side of the bulkhead. Remove the knockout as required for the size of the field installed conduit. Remove the entire knockout if a single-point wiring kit is going to be used. Near the left side of the lower heater access opening, locate the 5-wire control cable with the 6-pin Molex plug. Temporarily secure this cable to keep it out of the way for the installation of the heater kit. Loosely install 2 screws into the lower base rail of the cabinet at the bottom of the heater compartment. Place the heater kit into the compartment. Align the slotted screws at the bottom with the 2 screws previously installed. Slide the assembly to the left and tighten the 2 bottom screws. Install 2 screws into the holes at the top of the assembly. Take the 5-wire control cable with the 6-pin Molex and locate the mating 6-pin connector in the heater assembly. Connect the 2 together. With an Allen wrench, loosen the 3 main power lugs on the terminal block. With the field installed electrical wires, routed into the heater assembly, connect the green ground wire to the grounding terminal at the back of the heater assembly. Bend and insert each copper conductor into the power lugs on the terminal block. Securely tighten each lug and verify the factory connections are tight as well. Reinstall all panels and verify the operation of the system. The installation of the electric heater kit is now complete. See separate videos on installing a single-point wiring kit, additional accessory installation, and equipment setup. This concludes this episode of the 2-Minute Tech.